guys, so I want to explain the logic behind the gold sell I took earlier today. Like we all know, we've been bearish on gold for quite some time now. So last week, I'll start from last week, the gold buy last week. I will start from there. So you on the daily time frame, you can see this break of structure right here. You can see BOS, label it BOS. You can see this inducement. See the inducement. See the inducement. Label it IDM. And you can see the order block right here. In the daily time frame, you can see the order block right here. I see. So if you go on weekly time frame, you will see good. You see the sweep of liquidity here. Price swept last week's low. This is last 2 weeks now. Also in a new week. The last week's low swept it. So I initially thought that the target will be this high here. You can even see my alarm. That's where I wanted to sell from. But then I saw that this week, the people that bought gold last week, since if you come on 1 hour time frame, let me just quickly explain how they cut the buys last week. But not buy though, I wasn't interested in the buy. You can see the internal break of structures. You can see this shift here, shift of market structure, and you can see another break of structure here. Price swept this low right here, so I used this 1 hour order block, bam, then bought to the upside. I'm not interested in the buy, so I'll be talking about the sell. So last week I saw that price swept last week's high right here. Let's see. So I went on 4 hours. You can see the supply zone right here. Then back to the weekly time frame, you see a break of structure. This is a very clean break of structure right here. That's why I'm interested in buying from that and selling from that high. So clean break of structure right there. So price tapped on this 4 hour supply zone. I saw that it shifted structure. The printer is shifting structure here. Let me zoom it very well. You can see the shifting market structure. Shifts. That's to tell me we're about to go downside. Then it used this order block for the first sell. And do not forget, it swept the high. So this is a very clean confirmation that we will be going downside very soon. But I not catch the first sell, so I waited for a proper break of structure. Look at one here. Look at one here. Let's see another break of structure right here. And then I saw that okay, price is likely coming for this FVG. This is a bearish FVG. This right here, bearish FVG. And I marked it out. I was waiting on the 4 hours. And I went on 15 minutes. You can see this clean Let me delete this one. You can see this clean breakout block here. You can see it here. Very easy. And after price tapped on it, you give don't forget, this is our sweep of liquidity. Price swept liquidity here. Took out the low as shift in market structure. That is more confirmation that market will be selling soon. Some people might just enter from this zone at which price cleared the low. Some people might enter from here, but I didn't do that because there's a particular order block I use for my gold trade. I use the morning star order block. So this candle right here that swept this high into that 15 minutes breakout block, I saw that this second bearish candle here closed below it with body. Let me zoom it and so that it closed below it with body, you can see, and that's where exactly my entry is. Sorry, my position to here, enter from here, stop loss above this high, target my 5R, and I got out of the trade. This is clean as fuck, easy stuff. This is how I got the entry. So easy.